Let's see a question, interview question, that what is the difference between getAttribute and findAttribute methods for of page context. So getAttribute searches the attribute only in the specified scope, whereas findAttribute searches the specified attribute in all the scopes. Okay, maybe page scope, request scope, application scope, or session scope. So getAttribute, getAttribute method, getAttribute method searches for the attribute only in the specified scope, whereas find attributes find attribute method searches for the attributes in all the scopes, searches for the attribute in multiple multiple scopes. Okay, in the following order. In the following order. First, it searches. Suppose there might be possibility that you have the same attribute in multiple scope. Possible or not? So first of all, it searches in the current page. Okay. Then it searches in the first current page. Then it searches to request scope. Current page means page scope. Then okay, let me add here scope. First searches in the request scope. Then searches in page scope. Then request scope. Then session scope. Then lastly application scope. Okay. In this order it searches. Fine. So this is some of the this while working with the attributes you will come to know these are the scopes. Fine. We shall see now example web application. Example JSP web application to understand or to work with to understand or to work with the page context attributes. Page context different attributes.